So Moses is sitting at his tent, and it's like the heat of day. It's really hot outside, and all of a sudden the Lord appears to him amongst the trees of Mamre. And immediately Abraham leaves what he's doing. He goes over to these three men who are coming to him, and he bows down low. It was a custom in this day of Mesopotamia to treat your guests obviously with welcome, and this is a way to welcome somebody who was superior to you. This is a way to welcome somebody who you knew should be held in high esteem, that they should be honored even above yourself. And so Abraham is lowering himself, and he says, "If I have found favor in your eyes, my Lord, do not pass your servant by. Let a little water be brought, and then you may also wash your feet and rest under this tree. Let me get you something to eat so you can be refreshed, and then go on your way, now that you have come to your servant." And it's interesting that this passage says that the Lord appeared to him. And I've read several commentaries on who these three men were, and most of the commentaries I've read have described one of the three men as God in human form, and the other two men as angels, who are in human form, and who are going to go onto the city of Sodom later on in this story. And so here we have God in human form talking to Abraham, and Jesus actually alludes to something in John chapter 8 where he talks about having met Abraham, and the people who he's telling this are like, "Well, you're not even 50 years old. How could you have met Abraham?" And Jesus says, "Well, I've been around since the beginning. The beginning of time. I am who I am," is the phrase that he uses. And whenever he says this, the people actually get angry and they try to stone him. But nonetheless, here we have God appearing before Abraham. And Abraham's immediate reaction is to make the point that this God is superior, that our God is above us, and that we need to do everything we can to serve him. It's not how can God serve us, it's how can we serve our God and King.